Hi everyone and welcome to the forthcoming ADA update video from the Grap Coin YouTube channel. ADA did not move very much over the weekend, however there was a brief increase that lasted till. It appears that this is a three-wave rally with the final wave which started on Friday getting closer to the 100% Fibonacci extension level. What does this mean and why? Yes, it is. This is important because it shows the degree of resistance. You were inclined to realize that structural opposition is indicated by the Phi 1.6-cent barrier. Furthermore, if a corrective rebound is seen, suggesting that there might be another bottom, this is typically rejected at the 100% extension at 52.3 C, indicating there is resistance between 51.6 and 52.3 cents. A break above this level or within a restricted range is needed to confirm that the yellow wave count is moving forward as planned. To put it simply, given the short-term favorable count, both parties are currently optimistic. Until the 29-cent level is held, which represents the 78.6 retracement of the broader five-wave gain that occurred from June to March, I will continue to be pessimistic on the market. Increasing, and as long as we stay below resistance, it is very likely that we will see another low as soon as we break over that narrow resistance zone. Whether or not we see another low is a little dynamic and unpredictable. It might happen every day. I said quite clearly I believe it. The likelihood that wave 2 has already peaked is growing at this point. Evidence in the form of a five-wave climb is necessary. In general, without the observation of a five-wave advance, the establishment of a low cannot be definitively demonstrated using an Elliott wave perspective. Doing so would be merely conjectural. It is true that a three-wave action can be very violent, but only if there are exactly three of them. A five-wave advance is required to confirm the development of a bottom, otherwise there may be a corrective rally that leads to a collapse. A wave 4 or B wave, for example, could be a corrective rally. When a lower bottom provides support, what might the next five waves include? We clearly have arrived at a turning point. While the third wave needs to be finished, its length cannot be considered nearly minimal or minimally absolute. At 55 cents, the third wave is expected to hit the 1.236 Fibonacci extension. It would be more dependable and useful if the potential third phase, the wave which is not yet a third wave but may develop into one, hits the 138% extension at 56.8 cents. After that, there may be a wave 4 retreat, a wave 5 rally, and 5 waves higher. It is possible to include a support zone in the latter stage of the projected corrective decline. As of now, the only ways this three-wave rally may occur are in this white count, which would start the short-term bearish count, or it might just be an ABC pattern. I have chosen not to name this because doing so will obscure the data and add an excessive number of labels to the diagram. I've just added the following. All right, that wraps up the conversation. This is FAR 4 and it will probably decrease another 36 cents from now on. In theory, like many other coins, this is just another low, or the low might have already happened. Either way, the evaluation is positive. This is essentially the moment of truth for both the overall altcoin market and the bull market. But I don't see any supporting evidence. I believe a more serious decline would be indicated by a break below 48.7 cents. Even yet, a break below the low of 42.2 cents on Thursday, which was not the Friday low, would portend the approaching occurrence of another low. Many altcoins are in a similar position, thus their demise might either create a new naked market or maintain the one that already exists. It is possible that the cryptocurrency naked market would never end, although this is more likely to happen if the price keeps falling below 29 cents. Here's where I stand right now with ADA. I hope you will find this to be interesting. If you agree, kindly like, comment, and subscribe. We sincerely thank you for watching. Take note of these thresholds, hence we ought to aim for 5 spikes to 59.8 cents. For the time being, stop using Grap Coin YouTube channel.